Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a little more paint matching on the CXO. So I picked up a brand new paintable, so it is nice and smooth, tailgate handle for the truck, for the tailgate that's in there for the time being. So I figured we're working on getting the headlights ready to paint, so we'll go ahead and scuff this up and shoot it at the same time. So let's get in here, we'll get this all scuffed up and ready to spray some red on it. Alright guys, so I got the tailgate handle here all sanded. We had some issues. I almost think, since that's a brand new gun, it had some assembly lubricant in it, so as soon as it hit, it fish-eyed all over this thing. So I got all that sanded out. I still need to get right here a little bit more, but get it all sanded for the most part, except for right here. So here in just a second, we will get this hung up, as well as the headlight bezels. Y'all will probably have already seen those videos, but we'll get everything hung up. I got our jig here all rolled around over here. So finish sanding this, get everything wiped down, blow it off, wipe down again. And I'm going to wear gloves today, so hopefully we keep any contaminants out of our fresh paint. So we have our paint right there, clear coats over here on the other side. So we should have everything we need. So I'm going to get with it, get this finished sanding this little spot right here, get these blown off, get everything wiped down, hung up, and ready to spray. Alright guys, so we got everything wiped down and hung up over here. So I'm going to go ahead, get our paint mixed, and everything's already blown off, it's already wiped down, should be all good to go. So after we get everything mixed, then we should be ready to go ahead and spray. Okay guys, so I got our handle sprayed, looking real nice. A little dry over here, I need to hit it again, but got up in here, it's looking real good. So I got that. We got our headlight bezels all sprayed, they're looking much better as well. I'm probably going to do 1 or 2 more coats. I'm trying to do light coats, so probably do 1, maybe 2 if we still have some light spots, and well, we should be good to go. And then afterwards we will mix up our clear and get these all cleared in, and hopefully looking real good. I've never had a whole lot of luck with clear coat, but hopefully we can change that today. Alright guys, so I just got everything hit again, and everything looks real nice. Same thing here with these, everything looks good. Got a nice paint line, but anyway, I'm gonna get the gun cleaned, get our clear coat mixed, and hopefully it'll look just as good clear coated as it does right now. Alright guys, so everything should have had plenty of time to kind of dry. So went ahead, put on a fresh pair of gloves, mixed up our clear 4-to-1 over here, 3 parts clear, and then, you know, your 3 parts reducer. I think that's how you say that. It depends on your clear. I had that thing of clear left over from the Hyundai, so we got every last drop out of it. And our hardener had that hardener left over from, I believe, the Hyundai as well, and I got every last drop out of it. And had to use a little bit of this new jug of clear, but that's fine. So I guess I'm gonna look everything over, make sure that it has all dried good, and then I think we're ready to sand it. So I'm gonna get it mixed up, or get it poured in the gun rather, and we're gonna start shooting some clear. All right, so I might have got a little heavy on the clear, but anyway, we got the bezels painted we got the tailgate handle painted and all cleared. I was gonna do 2 coats. I did one extra thick with like 7 C's. I don't know if you can see it, but it dripped off in the floor. So we laid everything down. The tailgate handle, it's staying where it should be. These, I figured if it would run down into the valleys, it would be fine. So, I think what happened is our air. So I adjusted, because I had way too much air pressure when I was spraying the red, before I sprayed the red. So I cut it back and cut it back and cut it back and got to where I was happy. Well, we turned our breaker off for the compressor. We've been trying to do that lately. That way, you know, if something happens, it doesn't run all night or whatever. But we forgot to turn the breaker on. So when I sprayed the clear, I let the compressor build up and we got all of the air pressure. But, I mean, if we look, these things look freaking phenomenal. I'm very, very happy with these. Little run right there, and then one over there on the side, which you can't really see. I kind of doctored it up with a little bit of air, and it looks fine. So this one, the handle, as you can see, I got some little runs right there. I think what I can do is, after this is cured out and everything, I can take and wet sand that with probably some 1500 or 2000 grit, and then take that little polisher and polish that back out, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna run up here to the house. I'm gonna get cleaned up, and we're trying to pick everything up. And I think we're probably gonna call it a day here and let everything settle, get all dried. But everything looks real nice. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think he's happy with it. So I think we're good. But anyway, we'll get cleaned up, and then we'll outro this video. Alright guys, so we're not going to pull the 300 in the shop. First I'm going to take it up the road, because I've been trying to drive my car once every couple days at least. So trying to keep the battery up on the thing, and trying to, you know, keep the motivation going. Now, I'm very motivated to finish this car, but I can't right now because the weather's a little too cool. It's really nice today. That's why I decided to do the painting, but you know, this thing needs to set it outside and let it really cure out and everything else. So anyway, I'm really excited to get this thing done. I really am. But I think with fuel prices jumping up like they have, I think I might get another car. Probably gonna keep this car for a bit because I really like this car. I really do. It's quick. I mean, it's, you know, that's quarter throttle, something like that. So the car's quick. It's a really nice car. It's dirty right now, but it's a really nice car. And I would like to hang on to this and do a bit of a build on it. We're not putting it back in the shop at night because, you know, freshly painted parts, and I don't want to drive around up in there and start dust up and everything else. So parking it up here at the house, trying not to hit nothing. But anyway, we did get everything painted. And just so y'all know, I'm probably going to use this outro for running over something back here. I'm probably going to use this outro for 2 different videos, just so y'all know. But we got everything painted. Everything looks nice. I didn't want to pull this in and possibly stir up dust or anything like that. So we're going to leave it out. It's I mean, it's nice weather. It's supposed to continue to be nice tomorrow. So we're just gonna leave the car up here, and well, I guess in a couple days or so we'll come back out here. This is Friday, so we're gonna let it rest over the weekend. We're probably gonna take a break this weekend, and maybe next week we'll come back and we'll see what everything looks like. We've been doing a ton on the 6.0, so I think I'm gonna try to take a bit of a break this weekend and just kind of hang out. But we do have some stuff planned for next week. The blue truck, we need to take it to get its tires rotated, free rotations, but we need to take those, get them rotated, and I think we're going to pull the wheels and tires off of the white truck, which is over there. We're going to pull them wheels and tires off, and I think we're going to try to get the new tires put on those wheels. That way we can start driving it again. So I guess with that being said, I've tried to motivate myself more, get more stuff done. I'm kind of in the mood to just get stuff done. So that's what I've been on, if y'all can tell. But guys, I guess that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. So I guess with all that being said, if you guys enjoyed today's video or possibly found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. I really do appreciate y'all. We're getting closer to 2,000 subscribers every single day. Currently, right now, the last time I checked it, we are at 1902, and today is the 4th. I believe it's the 4th of March. So we're getting close. Hopefully we can make it before my birthday. I'm gonna move this actually. Hopefully we can make it before my birthday like I had wanted to. If not, that's fine. I appreciate y'all for sticking with me. I really do. So y'all stay tuned. We got a lot in store between everything. You know, the 6.0, the white truck, the car here, and maybe some new stuff. Like I said, been kind of looking. I want to get like a economical car, maybe something like a Genesis Coupe or something like that. Something that's cool, it's fast, it gets good fuel mileage, that's cheap to drive, if that makes sense. Yeah, that should make sense. You know, the 6.0 the other day, yesterday we put fuel in it, and diesel was $3.89. Went by this morning, now it's at $4.09. A week ago I was paying $3.24 a week ago. So it's nuts. Everything's just gone crazy, but I guess it is what it is. That gives us, you know, it kind of gives us some more time to play around with building the truck. You know, if you don't want to drive the thing because fuel's so expensive. But that's I don't know, it's not really while we're doing everything. I just want to get stuff done, really. That stuff's been sitting for a year, that lift and stuff. I had it over a year now, or right at a year, whatever. So I want to get it done. It's like the car here. I mean, this car, I'll lock the door. You know, I've had this car over 2 years now, and I'd like to get it done, just to have it done, if that makes sense. Same thing with the white truck, you know, everything just needs to be done. So anyway, guys, like I said, that's going to be a wrap. I do appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.